What do you know about call center? Call center is a service desk where a large volume of calls are handled by the customer associate in order to render services to the customer. Mention the types of call center and what is the difference between them. The types of call center are inbound call center, outbound call center. Inbound call center. In an inbound call center, customer associate will receive the calls regarding the customer's queries or demands. Example, customer calling to telecom company to know the current tariff on internet service they provide. Outbound call center. In an outbound call center, customer associate will make calls to their customer regarding business or sales related. Example, when you receive a call from a bank offering a personal loan. What do you understand with the term customer satisfaction? Any business depends upon the quality of the service you offer to your customer. To offer this, you need to understand the customer's need and their problems. You have to think from their point of view and try to meet their demands and requirements. This is what customer satisfaction is. What do you mean by customer service? The key features for customer service is professional, polite, friendly, courteous, and helpful. How will you enjoy working in a call center? As I am an extrovert person and I like to interact with people, call center job is a perfect job for me. I like to resolve customers' queries and face the challenges positively that comes across. Also, the pace of work in call center and team members' friendliness always motivates me to work for call centers. What will you do if customer abuses you on the phone? The first thing that I will do is to stay calm and listen to the customer's problem and try to figure out what made him or her annoyed. The next thing I will do is to ask politely to customer to calm down and then assure him or her to solve their problem. The last thing that I will do is to keep check on certain things that creates problem to the customer and never let it repeat it again. What are the key features you think that customer associate should possess to become perfect customer associate? Good listening skill, problem solving skill, concentration, and patience are some key features that make a perfect customer associate. How do you handle pressure situation? To handle the pressure situation, I always try to keep focus on work and avoid frustration. Mention the types of customer service field. There are 3 types of customer service field. They are by phone, public relationship, or face-to-face. While talking to customer, what are the procedures you follow? Greet customer, introduce yourself to customer, ask customer how you can be helpful to them, listen to customer patiently. Try to help the customer with best possible solution. Cross-check the customer if he or she is satisfied with the solution. Make sure whether customer need any further assistance. Do you like multitasking tasks or you prefer to tackle one problem at a time? Depending on the situation, I could do multitasking as well and could tackle one problem at a time. But multitasking always have an upper hand because it increases your efficiency for solving and tackling problem. What if the customer is not happy with your answer or solution? If the customer is not happy with the answer or solution, then I will ask customer to hold the line and pass on the call to the supervisor or team leader. To improve customer service, what will be your approach? To improve customer service, my approach would be to take feedbacks from customer and ask them how we can improve more to help them solve their problem and render them a good service. What will you do in a situation where system shuts down and you will still handling customer on the phone? In the middle of handling phone, if the system crashes, then I will ask the customer to hold for some time till I get a power backup. And if not, then try to resolve his or her problem with my knowledge. The best thing in such situation is to ask the customer to call back or note his contact details so you can call once the system is back. Mention what are the key attributes of a call center executive. The key attributes of a call center executive are friendly attitude, ask the right questions, accurate answers to the customer's query, professional phone relationship, be the face of the organization, view the customer's complaint as an opportunity to gain the customer's respect, resolve complaints patiently. How to deal with a difficult customer. To deal with a difficult customer, you need to do following things. Listen to customer actively, refresh their concerns, present a viable solution, take action and follow up, fix the problem at hand immediately, use the feedback, reduce the unpleasant situation happen again with customer. Mention how do you measure a good customer service. A good customer service can be measured on following basis: number of repeat customer, number and type of customer complaints received, number of referrals given by current customers, sales figure if service is product based, customer satisfaction service, benchmarking service with competitors, rate at which number of customers enrolled to your service, and number of returns. Explain how can you turn down a request from a valued client. To turn down a request from a valued client, you have to remain polite and well-mannered, adhere to company's policies, explain the situation or reason for denial, try to remain reliable to customer. Explain how would you handle negative feedback from angry clients. To handle negative feedback from angry clients, customer representative should be able to manage customer without being dominated. He should not be overwhelmed by a disapproving customer. Try to listen and understand customer issue before going after suggestions or solutions. How one can improve customer interactions. To improve customer interaction, admit your mistakes even before your customer does and apologize. Take follow-up if a problem is solved. Practice active listening so your customer feel heard. Try to identify a common interest or liking with the customer. Explain what steps will you take to deal with your unsatisfied customer. Apologize and offer a better option. Act quickly and resolve the customer complaint. Take responsibility for what made customer unhappy. Compensate customer with better deal or free service. Explain how can you create a new opportunities for customers' proactive engagement. Use internet service to contact customer on social media. Use mobile often to reach maximum customers by sending personalized text relevant offers or services. Customer interactions must be relevant to customers' interest to gain their trust and encourage them. Analyze the customer data behavior using business intelligence tool to understand its expectation for the service you offer. You use cloud platform to keep your service updated with the latest technology and with minimum expenses. For implementing a CRM solution to your business, what things need to take care of? Before implementing a CRM solution to your business, you need to take care of following things. CRM strategy. CRM only works when there is a clear picture of why the organization is doing it and how it really helps to improve customer service. Choose the right CRM partner. A best CRM solutions are flexible and have a full integration capability with any other systems in your business. Identify the highest priority. Implement CRM solution for the highest priority and return area fast. Explain how to get a responsive customer feedback. To get a responsive customer feedback, offer feedback options on every page of your site. Present visitors with easy feedback form by giving them selective. Give visitors easy to use rating system. Give options for a newsletter to skip or to register. Deliver feedback to responsible person directly via email notification. Avoid multiple choice of answers. Instead of encourage customer for descriptive feedback. Mention why a departed customer analysis can help your organization. A departed customer analysis can help your organization in following ways. Get valuable insight on why your customers departed from you. Which competitor are being selected to replace your company's service? What was the expectation of your former clients? Help to understand weakness and gaps within product line or services. Mention what all things you need to take into consideration before doing a survey for customer service satisfaction. Before doing survey for customer service satisfaction, first consider the objective of the survey. Make your survey accessible online. Keep open-ended questions and keep survey narrative. Consider negative feedback equivalent to positive feedback. It is equally important. Select the survey method that can yield real information in real time. Target putting questions that are relevant to service. Mention some of the useful online tools that can be used for better customer service. For better customer service tools that are used: Zendesk, Assistly, Zoho Support, Kayako, Freshdesk, User Voice, Conversocial, Get Satisfaction, etc.